Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a destination in the RIU Hotels application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the select button at the bottom of the page on the left. So first enter the hotel or destination that you want to search for. And here are some recommended ones as well. So you can just click on them. And then select the dates of your stay. So the arriving and the leaving date as well. Then you have to set the guests, so the number of adults or children who are going to stay. And if there's children traveling with you, then you have to set their age as well. And then just click on the accept button. And if you have any promotional code, you can type it in. But then just click on the search availability button. And as you can see, here are here's the hotel that was chosen, and this currently has no rooms available for the dates. And then the application will help you to find similar hotels. So here you can find one that's quite similar, and you can just read about it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.